bahasa Inggris, kita perlu merubah kata-kata untuk apakah mereka bisa dihitung atau tidak bisa dihitung. In English, we have different words to talk about things that we can count and things that we can't count. Kebanyakan orang tahu many. Many people know the word many, tetapi tidak banyak orang tahu much atau a lot. For things that we can count, we use the words many or few. Untuk berbicara tentang sesuatu yang kita bisa dihitung, kita menggunakan many atau few. Untuk bicara tentang sesuatu yang tidak bisa dihitung, kita harus gunakan much atau little. We use many and few to talk about things that we can count. Kita menggunakan kata itu many atau few untuk menjelaskan tentang sesuatu yang kita bisa dihitung. For example, there is a duck. Ada bebek satu saja. There are two ducks. Karena ada lebih dari satu, daripada there is, harus bilang there are. Tetapi di sini, there are many ducks. Ada berbanyak bebek di sini. Tetapi, mungkin aku harap untuk melihat bebek berbanyak. Tetapi aku kecewa karena tidak ada bebek berbanyak. So I would say, there are few ducks. There are few ducks. However, some things we can't count, and in that situation, instead of using many and few, we need to use much or little. Di dalam situasi yang aku tidak bisa menghitung sesuatu, aku harus menempatkan much atau little di dalam kalimat. For example, I would say, I have much time today, atau I have little time today. Dan aku nggak bisa bilang, I have many time, or I have few time. Itu dua-duanya tidak masuk akal karena aku nggak bisa menghitung waktu. Examples of other things that we can't count would be air, water, land, energy, rice, hair, sand, and money. Itu semuanya aku tidak bisa menghitung, sehingga aku harus menggunakan much atau little. And be careful. Don't make the mistake of saying, there are little people here. Itu salah. Karena maksudnya, di sini ada orang kecil. Daripada bilang sama itu, kamu harus bilang, there are few people here. But sometimes, we can't count things that originally we could count. Tetapi, kadang-kadang, kita tidak bisa menghitung sesuatu yang kita asli bisa menghitung. For example, here, there are many apples. There are many apples. Tetapi, jika aku memukul ini, now, there are not many apples. There is much apple. Tanpa S. There is much apple. Tetapi, jika ada jumlah sedikit saja, now, there is little apple. Sometimes there are things that we originally couldn't count, but if we use a container, we can count them. Ada material yang kita asli nggak bisa menghitung, tetapi jika kita menggunakan container, kita tiba-tiba bisa menghitung itu. For example, originally we can't count water. Kita tidak bisa menghitung air, so we need to say, there is little water, or there is much water. Tetapi, jika kita mengaruh air di dalam botol, now we can count the water, and we would say, there are many bottles of water, or there are few bottles of water. Kita harus menempatkan preposisi of di depan bottle. there are many bottles of water.